Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we can use about reduction variable. So I will put about u equals to x minus y. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, we have dy over dx, similar for this one. So I will put this one go to the left, this one go to the right. So this one we change by u. This one we change by this one. So this one I will put on the right. This one I will put on the left. So the x I will put on the left. This one I will put on the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we need to multiply by 1 plus cosine u on numerator and denominator. So this one in here, we have 1 minus cosine u square. And now we have the formula in here. Sine u squared plus cosine u squared equals to number 1. We see that this one I can put on the right, and we have sine u squared equals to 1 minus cosine u squared. And now we need to change this one into sine u squared. So we have 1 over sine u squared and cosine u divided by sine u squared. And now we have the final answer. The integral of dx, we have x. This one, that is about cosecant of u squared. The integral of this one, we have negative cotangent u. The integral of this one, we have negative 1 over sine u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.